Okay guys, in this small video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to do a cream contour. I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contours, or well, it's like a foundation stick, but the perfect color for me is cocoa. What I do whenever I'm like going all out, girl, get my foundation brush that I'm going to use. I use this round Bobbi Brown brush. I use this for my foundation. And then I also use it for my contour. I love how it blends stuff out. I didn't use this one for foundation. I use this one. It's exactly the same. I use a new one. So I get this. I don't draw right on my face because I have laid down foundation and that will move it. So I kind of squeeze the brush like this. Get a good amount of it on there. And I'm going to start with this cheek over here. So I squeeze the brush because it's a round base brush and I love this brush for blending. So I squeeze the brush like this and kind of get it into the shape that I want. And then I pull my hair out. Do not do this because that changes the shape of your face. You're not walking around like this all day long. So to get your contour in the right place, you want to have your right face. So get your hair kind of up, and then I go high because it always kind of works down. So like from the top of your ear toward the corner of your mouth, but I go a little bit higher than that. And it literally looks like you made a mess on your foundation. So you just commit, girl, like commit to what you have done. And just start pressing it in. I take it back to my ear and all of this will lighten up. I take it down underneath my jawline and then I just kind of press it down into my neck. Okay, and it doesn't stay dark as long as you're pressing it into the foundation. And then like I begin to kind of even work it a little bit lower down to my face, but you don't want to do that right away because it'll be so dark. So then I work it on up and around, and then I'm going to get back in here and just really stipple motion and push that contour in, girl. Like it's so pretty. And then whenever I dust it with powder, it lightens up a little bit. And of course I'm going to put some other stuff on top of it. So let me go ahead. I'm going to do this whole side of my face so you can see what the difference is. I go into my hairline. It's so important to pull your hair back and get that product right up in there. And again, you want to like go pouncing, not rubbing. You don't want to rub you want to press it into the foundation. Okay, so I usually like to get it right underneath my chin. It creates a shadow underneath there. Doesn't look weird, it creates a shadow. Okay, so I use this exact same brush, which is probably not good because it's way too big. And I go in I touch the tip of my nose, like literally underneath, not on top. So I have this like smudge mark right there. And then I just start dabbing that up. And then I leave that because you don't want that contour to be like so harsh. Okay, so here is what my face looks like on this side. And then this side. The chin area is like very like cut in. So, and then of course I have like my stuff done. So let me speed up the video really fast and get the other half on. Okay, ladies, so we are back and I want to go ahead and do a little bit of cream highlight as well, just while we're like kind of going big right now. So I use this one called High Beam from Benefit. I love this, but you gotta be very quick with this product. It dries so fast. So like you got to go and get it pressed in, because like wherever it is, that's where it's gonna stay. You don't like have a ton of time. And then like, I like that because it dries down so fast. But then I also don't like it because you don't have that much time to like get it where it needs to go. So you gotta commit, try not to do so many pounces because you don't want it to like be in that stage of drying where it sticks to the sponge and then comes off. So you want to get it on there wet, leave it alone, and then you can kind of go back and try if you want to move the product, but it won't really move that much. So that's just cream highlight before you go into like the full rest of your face. So I wanted to jump on, do that really quick tutorial about contouring and highlighting. Give me a thumbs up on this video, share the video with your other girlfriends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, ladies, I am back. This is the final look with the contour, and I am going to add my lipstick and show you the prizes for giveaway. But I thought I would just jump in here and give you one last tip on lip liner and overlining your lips, girls. Like, same thing with contour. Whenever you're doing it, you don't want to change the shape of your face. You want to contour where your natural face is, because if you do that, I would have contoured all down here when in reality my cheekbones are up here. So you don't want to like change your face while you're contouring. You want to look at yourself naturally and see where you want to cut the cheekbones in, feel where they are. So just like that, with overlining, you don't want to change the shape of your lip. You want to, and I'm going to get a mirror so I can get close. So you want to look at yourself in the mirror, find out where you want your lip to be, and then draw it on. So if you have one of those pencils that is like hard and you gotta like do this to get it on, no girl, sharpen your pencil, draw on your hand with it to warm it up a little bit, but it needs to glide on. You know, even like sometimes roll-ups can be a lot more soft so that you can just go in and you're like, okay. Relaxed face. And then draw it on. Perfect. So this color, because I'm gonna do like a really nude color, is called Strip Down from MAC. Girl, yes, if you're doing any type of a brown or nude look and you want it to be like a little bit deeper, this is such a beautiful pencil. So I'm like in love with it. And then I just got a brand new lipstick that I'm excited to share with you guys. It is from Lancome. It's one of their like push out lipsticks, and then the tube comes out. And I just think, I don't know, it's really a pretty package. I do have one from Chanel that is like incredibly beautiful, and I feel like that quality feels heavy, but this is a beautiful lipstick. So anyways, this is in shade 245 Amande Sucre. I don't know, but AMANDE SUCREE. So that's French. Anyways, this is what the color looks like, and I'm just going to get really close up and see how it's like Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty in person. I mean, in the video too, but oh my God. This lipstick, girl, I cake lipstick on. This lipstick reminds me of Plum Dandy from MAC, but just like a little less pink. I don't know. Oh my gosh. What do you girls think? Let me get, oh, that's as high as my lip will go, but I love it. Oh my gosh, absolutely love it. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the giveaway stuff. So I have a couple things from Lancome that are going to be incredibly beautiful, I think. Those were not them. One of them was. Oh, actually, no, those are them. Okay, so qualifying things that you have to do: like the video, share the video, comment that you liked and shared the video, and leave me a comment. Feedback is amazing. I don't care. Even if it is negative, girl, let me know what your thoughts are. I can just like make my videos better for you from there. So the first giveaway there's gonna be 4 different ones. This is a highlighter. It's in 03 Radiant Rose Gold. This is incredibly beautiful highlighter. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't want to mess it up, but I will open it and kind of show you. It's a really beautiful, I mean, like I guess I feel like really anybody could wear this highlighter. So that one's gonna be in the giveaway. There is a mascara that is a Definicils waterproof mascara. I love Monsieur Big. It is my favorite from Lancome, but Lancome is like famous for their mascara. So girl, if you want to give this one a go for free, like, share, comment. And then this is it. I also have one of these juicy matte shakers. So you shake it kind of like this. I'm not gonna open this because this is someone's lip stuff and I'm not gonna do that. But it is in a really beautiful, like kind of mauve-y, plummy color. And they're nourishing for the lip. I've tried them. These are amazing. So those are my 3 products that I'm gonna do a giveaway on. Girls, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do this more in the future. So like, comment, share this video with your friends, and then I will private message you. You can give me your address, or if you live close enough, I can just bring it right over to you. So I'm excited. I will see you in the next video.